I have to tell you about this game-changing tool I just started using that completely transforms long videos into short, snackable content. If you are a creator who is seriously sick of spending hours chopping up content and guessing which moments will actually go viral, then you absolutely need to pay attention right now. This isn't just another sponsored plug for a cool app. This is one of those genuine, I wish I knew about this sooner moments that changes your workflow forever. So here is the deal with this incredible technology. It takes any long-form video, like a webinar or a deep dive podcast, and automatically isolates the absolute best parts. It then trims those segments into ready-to-post clips and even handles the publishing across all your social platforms without you needing to jump between 5 different tools. Essentially, it functions like having a professional editor, a social strategist, and a content calendar all consolidated inside one single application. And I have to admit, the final results often look exactly like polished content that a high-end editor spent hours crafting in just a few minutes. I'm about to walk you through my exact process, explain why this stands apart from everything else on the market, and detail 5 concrete ways you can start monetizing with it today. If you stick with me through the end, you will see this isn't just about reclaiming your time. It's about scaling your entire content operation in a way that actually drives conversions. First, let's discuss how this tool works in a real-world practical application for your daily needs. You simply upload your longest piece of content, whether it's an hour-long podcast or a 2-hour webinar, and let the system begin its analysis. The integrated AI then actively scans the entire footage to detect moments of high audience engagement, emotional peaks, and key points like punchlines or actionable advice. Following the analysis, it instantly generates multiple short clips that are already perfectly optimized for the specific social platforms you plan to use. These draft clips arrive with intelligent cuts already in place, suggested captions that make sense, and the correct dimensions for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts. You completely bypass the need to manually scrub through countless hours of footage searching for those hidden gems because the technology does that heavy lifting for you. However, the functionality extends far beyond just basic video segmentation. This is where things get truly exciting for daily use. One standout feature that immediately convinced me to use this tool consistently is the seamless, integrated auto-schedule function. You simply define your desired posting cadence, say 3 reels a week and daily shorts, and the tool queues everything up automatically without any manual input. For any solo creator or small business team, that singular ability to eliminate the back and forth with calendars and spreadsheets is a monumental game changer. Then we come to the content calendar feature, which takes the typical chaos of content management and brings crystal clear organization to the forefront. From this single hub, you can review all scheduled items, make minor caption adjustments, swap out potential thumbnails, and easily reschedule posts if needed. If you want to visualize exactly how a full week of content will look across all your various channels, it is presented right there in a consolidated view. That entire combined workflow, the smart clip selection, the quick batch editing, and the immediate scheduling is precisely what enables massive scaling without risking creator burnout. Now let's compare this approach against some of the other flashy tools I have tested extensively on the market recently. Certain platforms emphasize things like hyper-realistic AI avatars or synthetic voiceovers, which are interesting features if you need a digital spokesperson. But for the vast majority of creators, those flashy elements don't actually solve the core persistent problem of consistently repurposing long videos into multiple high-performing shorts. Many competitors focus on a single, isolated feature. Maybe they have great trimming or strong scheduling, but they fail to integrate everything into one smooth, unified pipeline. Others are notoriously overpriced and overly complicated, forcing you to maintain 3 or 4 separate software subscriptions just to achieve what this tool does completely on its own. I'm not suggesting those other tools are entirely without merit. If your specific goal is creating UGC ads using purely synthetic avatars, those platforms might suit you. However, for content that is already human-made, focusing on those avatar tools is often overkill when you just need a smarter way to distribute what you already have. Furthermore, those dedicated avatar platforms frequently introduce added costs and necessitate completely separate editing and publishing workflows. The clear advantage here lies in being purpose-built specifically for creators who want to maximize the inherent value of their existing videos with the absolute minimum amount of friction. All right, now it is time to lay out 5 distinct, practical methods you can use immediately to start generating revenue or significantly boosting your growth. The first application is for e-commerce, taking those long product demos or customer testimonials and turning them into benefit-focused micro clips. You can rapidly slice out short segments showing a key feature a genuine customer reaction, or a super quick how-to guide for your feed or ads. Instead of paying a production team to shoot 20 different ad variations, you can easily generate dozens of on-brand creatives from your existing footage to A/B test what truly resonates. Moving on to the second use case, app marketing, where you can pull out the most compelling product moments from lengthy walkthroughs. We are extracting phrases like, "Watch this one easy tap," or "This feature saved me hours," and formatting them perfectly for mobile-first platforms. The true beauty here is the ability to auto-schedule a steady drip of these tutorial snippets over several weeks, boosting retention without your constant micromanagement. For real estate professionals, this third application is an absolute goldmine for turning full property tours into targeted listing highlights. Record the entire home once, then let the system create clips focusing on the chef's kitchen, the sunlight in the living room, or clever storage solutions. These bite-sized visual assets become incredibly valuable for social advertising and organic reels because they catch attention instantly in a busy feed. The fourth method focuses on lead generation and B2B outreach by mining those long demos and case studies for potent snippets. You extract sound bites of customer wins, concise fragments detailing a problem solved, or impressive metric-driven results for use on professional platforms. This approach allows you to scale outreach campaigns using different compelling hooks without having to essentially reinvent the wheel every single time you post. Finally, my favorite angle is number 5, packaging this entire capability up and selling it directly as a recurring content service to brands. You can easily offer businesses a monthly retainer package that includes 30 generated clips plus all the necessary scheduling and minor finishing edits. Brands are incredibly receptive to this output because it looks native and maintains a consistent presence, and you benefit from fantastic margins because the core work is largely automated. Now for some practical workflow insights I've picked up during my time actively using this powerful system every single day. Always begin by uploading the absolute highest quality source video you possess, because better input directly translates to a substantially stronger final output. Take a moment to utilize the preview tools to meticulously tweak the start and end frames of suggested clips. That tiny trim can significantly boost the clip's overall hook effectiveness. Definitely make good use of the templated caption suggestions, as the application intelligently suggests formats that are already tailored for success on each specific platform. There are also several other real-time features designed explicitly to make your entire content management life significantly easier throughout the month. For instance, batch editing lets you make a single text overlay change across 50 different clips all at once, saving hours of repetitive work. Multi-aspect exports allow you to generate vertical, square, and horizontal versions from the same initial job without having to rerun the entire process again. The inclusion of built-in, high-quality automatic captioning means you can often bypass that separate, time-consuming transcription step entirely. When you combine that robust suite of editing tools with the intelligent scheduling engine, you have effectively removed 3 or 4 individual software subscriptions from your typical creator stack. To be perfectly honest, no system is completely flawless, and you should be aware of the minor trade-offs involved here. Automated clipping is superb at finding high-energy, obvious moments, but it might sometimes miss the subtle nuances of a quiet, powerful testimonial or a deeply thoughtful argument. If your primary goal is creating ultra-polished cinematic shorts requiring complex color grading or advanced motion graphics, you will still need to rely on a dedicated expert editor. However, for the overwhelming majority of creators focused on repurposing existing material, this tool hits that perfect sweet spot between incredible speed and professional quality output. Let me paint a quick scenario to clearly illustrate the efficiency gain. I recently uploaded a 90-minute podcast episode. In less than 10 minutes, the system delivered me 25 fully drafted clips across all the necessary aspect ratios for immediate consideration. I spent just a few minutes tweaking captions on maybe 3 of those clips and then scheduled an entire week's worth of content directly into the calendar. The total time investment for that entire complex task, from upload to auto-posting setup, was genuinely under 30 minutes. The clips that went live immediately started generating solid engagement because they were inherently snappy and contextually rich enough for viewers. People responded so well to those distilled single-sentence takeaways and perfectly isolated soundbite moments that were automatically selected. In terms of pricing structure, this tool is positioned very sensibly when you stack up the cost against using separate specialized trimming, captioning, and scheduling services. They actually offer free tiers and affordable creator plans, which makes trying out the core functionality an incredibly low-risk endeavor. Other competing platforms often try to lock you into expensive subscriptions. for features that you might not even fully utilize in your day-to-day work. This solution wisely keeps the entire essential content creation pipeline accessible, which is vital for creators who need to maintain lean operational overhead. If you are wondering exactly how to dive in and begin leveraging this right now, here is a super simple, step-by-step sequence that truly works. First, select one strong piece of existing long-form content that you already have ready to go and upload it to the platform. Second, let the system automatically generate all the potential short clips based on its advanced algorithms. Third, review the suggested clips, make any necessary small edits to timing or text, and then set your ideal posting cadence. Fourth, schedule all of that curated content into the calendar and watch as it begins publishing automatically across your selected channels. Finally, you can relax a bit and use the integrated analytics to constantly iterate and improve the hooks and formats for your next upload batch. You will be amazed at how quickly you can escalate your content output once you stop manually editing every single clip from scratch. And here is one more major tip. If you want to actively pitch this as a service to potential brand clients, create a simple, compelling demo package. This package should take one long video, turn it into 10 diverse clips across platforms, and include a visualization of a full 30-day content calendar. Send that tangible package to the brand and say, here is exactly what your content could look like, fully scheduled and ready to go right now. Most brand decision makers immediately recognize the inherent value because it is a concrete deliverable, not just an abstract promise of potential. To quickly summarize this, if you are producing any kind of long-form video and want significantly more traction without hiring a dedicated editor or juggling numerous separate apps, you must look into this tool. It successfully automates the clip identification process, handles all the tedious scheduling for you, and keeps every single element organized inside that one central calendar. It is absolutely not the perfect solution for every single creator out there, particularly those needing specialized, high-end cinematic work. But for the vast community of creators, marketers, and smaller agencies striving for consistent, highly scalable short-form output, this is one of the most practical instruments I've ever integrated. I strongly encourage you to take one long video you already possess and just give this process a genuine test run right now. You will likely discover a stack of perfectly usable, high-potential clips that you didn't even realize were hidden away inside your existing footage library. Once you establish that consistent posting rhythm, the momentum you build from repurposed content can become absolutely insane in the best possible way. Best, seriously consider giving this system a true test drive and actively track how much mental energy and actual time you managed to save this week. Then if you see the immediate results, you can easily start packaging those fantastic outputs into scalable services or high-converting ad campaigns. I promise you that building a fully automated content pipeline from your existing videos is significantly easier than most people imagine it to be. If you would like me to break down a specific type of video demo, like a deep podcast or a real estate walkthrough, tell me which one and I will outline the precise steps for maximum reach.